Welcome to our instructional video on creating a hand wheel using CAD program. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to recreate the hand wheel shown in the attached image using the powerful tools of the CAD program. Let's get started! Step 1. Start the CAD program.
Open the CAD program on your computer. And once it launches, you'll be presented with the main interface.
Step 2. Attach the guide image.
To insert the image that will serve as a guide, go to the Insert menu at the top of the interface and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, choose Attach and then select Locate Image File. Browse your computer to find the guide image file and open it. Adjust the size of the image using the crosshair that appears and left-click to place the image in the drawing area.
Step 3. Configuring layer properties.
Let's configure the layer properties for the hand wheel. This will allow us to control the visibility and appearance of different elements. Click on the Add Layer button to create a new layer. Rename the layers as Center, Continuous, and Headed. Set the color for Headed and Center layers to red. And for the line type, click Load to access additional options. Choose the Headed and Center line type and click OK to apply the changes. For the thickness, set Continuous to 0.70 mm and 0.00 mm for center and headed.
Step 4. Precising the lines in our drawing.
To ensure precision in our drawing, we need to set the line type scale of the lines. Type properties in command, then enter 0.1 as the line type scale. Press enter and then escape to confirm the settings.
Step 5. Creating center lines.
Select first center layer in Layer Properties, then begin by drawing a line anywhere on the drawing area, making it 21 units long. Locate the midpoint of the line and draw two more lines to the left and right, each with a dimension of 10.5. This will create the center lines for our hand wheel.
Step 6. Drawing circles in hand wheel.
First, switch layers to continuous, then start by creating a circle with a radius of 9.5. Next, draw another circle, this time specifying the diameter by pressing D and then enter. Use a radius of 8 for this circle. Repeat this process for the other circles shown in the attached image.
Step 7. Creating inner circles.
The inner circles are drawn using the two-point circle method. Select the hidden layer and draw a circle from the center of the larger circle to its outer edge. Then, locate the center of this new circle and draw another circle with a radius of 3.5.
Step 8. Drawing small circles.
Small circles can be created using the tan radius method. Position the circles where they intersect with the existing circles. Select each circle and apply a dimension of 1.
Repeat process for all small circles. Step 9. Making second layers for small circles.
The hidden layered circles are the guide for our figure. To make a second layer, repeat steps 7 and 8, but with continuous layer.
Step 10. Trimming and erasing.
Now, we need to trim or erase unnecessary parts of the drawing. Use the trim command to remove unwanted lines or use the erase command to delete unnecessary elements by right-clicking and selecting Erase. Be careful not to remove any essential parts of the handwheel.
Step 11. Polar array.
To create multiple copies of the fonts, use the polar array command. Select the object you want to array and specify the midpoint. Set the number of items to 5 to match the attached image.
Step 12. Adding dimensions. Before proceeding further, edit the properties of all the dimensions to ensure a consistent and efficient workflow. Step 13. Adding or setting leaders.
Enter the command mleader style and select Modify. Set the scale to 1 and the landing distance to 0.5. In the leader format, choose a blue color for the arrow and set the size to 1. In the content, select Underline Bottom Line to the left and right attachment. Set the text height to 1 and the line gap to 0.1 for a compact appearance. Add leaders to the specified dimensions in the attached image, ensuring ortho mode is disabled.
Step 14. Additional leaders.
For dimensions with text labels, enter the leader command, specify the line you want to attach the leader to, and choose the arrowhead and landing locations. Type the corresponding text given in the attached image.
Step 15. Adding multi-leader.
Enter the leader command again and select Add Leader. Specify the leader arrowhead location and type the corresponding text from the attached image. Repeat these steps as needed to complete the multi-leaders.
Step 16. Adjusting leader font size.
Enter the mleader style command, click Modify and adjust the scale under the leader structure. Option to your desired measurement, such as 0.5, click OK to save the change and then close to exit the dialog box.
Step 17. Adding title to the drawing.
To add the title handwheel, click on the text symbol in the toolbar above. Specify the first and opposite corners of the area where you want the title to appear. Type in the title and press Escape to finalize.
watching this instructional video on creating a hand wheel in CAD program. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out.
Happy designing with CAD program!